Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. We got a little bulge. Oh boy. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And you got time for Santa Claus to come. So check them out now. See what other goodies they have to offer. And here we go. And hopefully you guys had a good day. Oh yeah, here we go. Damn it. Damn it. This is coming from WTESKE. It is a digital temperature controller. Really nice. App control. Got my iPhone ready. We got easy manual, large display. Yeah, that's pretty big size. Easy manual, alarm. Voice control. So we're going to test this out. This is for like plants and everything else. Fish bowls or fish tanks. Growing flower. Test your plants out. There we go. WTESKE. Plugs. Here she is. Yeah, it's a nice display. Easy to control buttons. You can mount it on the wall. Here's the back. Here's that. And this thing, this is where you stick it. Like fish tank, you just drop this down. Plants, I'll show you. Check the ground, the dirt level, temperature. A lot of cool things. So we're going to test this out right about now. Just got to twirl these little guys. If I can get it out. Come on. Give me 1 second. But definitely check them out, guys. You won't be disappointed. And if I can figure this out, so can you. Go. Come on, twisty tie. Come on. There we go. I got a plant I can test out on. Hopefully I could. But I'll think of it. And then Velcro strap right here. Keep it simple. Keep it clean. So you want to plug this in first. There we go. Unplug that. Plug this. I'm going to have to look at what app to use. Alright. RF reader. Whoa. Okay, shut that off for now. Got the suction cup. Just got to plug this piece right in here. It's the first time ever using one of these, so bear with me. I just got to locate the app. Scan the QR to extend your warranty. Okay, I don't need to do that right now. Okay, here we go. Simple setup. Smart Life app. I think I got them downloaded from my others. Alright, let's see. Yeah, Smart Life. This is what the app looks like. I got the vacuum cleaner, the foyer, bunch of smart plugs. So they got a lot of cool stuff. Go up here. Oh, go here. Tweak it down. Go up here. And others. Smart. No. appliance, lighting, electric gateway, oh, health, exercise, video surveillance, security, small appliances. I'm gonna pause you guys 1 sec. Alright guys, you're gonna want to hold the power button for about 3 seconds and then hit the smart socket Wi-Fi logo, and then this will pop up. And then hit next. There we go. Bathroom. Why not? There we go. I can bring this phone up. Update now. Update. Start update. See, it's gonna update it for a few seconds. Alright. Right now, that is gonna remain that way until this update is done. There we go. It's zooming. Go, 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 go. Any second. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Come on. Don't be shy. It's being shy. Here we go. Firmware updated. Oh, wow. Alright, how am I going to do this? There's what it says right there. There's that reading. Perfect. Maybe by the window. But you could, like I said, water tank. Oops. Stuff like that. So check these guys out right here. Right on Amazon. Alright, so let's mess around with the app. I think I could change the settings. Yeah, you could go down here, settings. Yep, go a little Fahrenheit. Right here it says temperature scale switching. And that's it. Oops. There we go. 72 degrees in the room. Highest 93. Lowest 71. It's pretty cool. I don't have any fish things to show you, but like I said, you can stick this in plants. Pretty much anything that you need a temperature reading on. So, really cool. What does this button do? Or you can hit that, switches it back and forth. It shows up on there. There you go. And then power, that's off. So really cool. I think I covered everything, so definitely check these guys out right here on Amazon. Really cool technology they got out now. And it is Alexa programmable, so you could always add her to it. It's under the Smart Things app. Once you program her skill, and good to go. So I mean, you can just tell her temperature and stuff like that, and she'll tell you wherever this is programmed at. For like your fish tank, you would want to call it fish tank temperature controller, or just fish tank, whatever you want to call it. But simple, really easy to use. Everything's working good. So like you said, plants you can check on, stuff like that. An extra plug, heating and cooling you could do. So there you go, guys. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good night. But I think I covered pretty much everything with this product tonight. But yeah, it's some really good stuff though. Lightweight, and all you gotta do is mount it wherever you're gonna have it. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it yet. I got options, so it's always good to have a extra temperature thermometer around too. So, but yeah, Really cool. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night, and see you soon.